case that's over a decade old is the 2002 hit-and-run case. Actor Salman Khan has now been charged with culpable homicide not amounting to murder, which means he could face up to 10 years of imprisonment if convicted in the case.
That's correct. While the actor has in fact been exempted from personal appearance in the case, the next hearing for this trial has been scheduled for the 19th of August. The petitioner in the case, Abha Singh, however, has demanded a probe into asking why there was such a delay in the case in the first place.
सलमान खान पे कल्पेबल होमिसाइड नॉट अमाउंटिंग टू मर्डर 304 पार्ट में तय हुआ है, साथ ही साथ 279 रैश एंड नेग्लिजेंट ड्राइविंग पे तय हुआ है, साथ ही में 337, 338 जिसमें है कॉजिंग हर्ट, कॉजिंग ग्रीवियस हर्ट, एंडेंजरिंग द लाइफ ऑफ द पीपल, वो चार्ज लगाया गया है। साथ ही मोटर व्हीकल एक्ट के तहत भी उनके ऊपर चार्ज लगाया गया है। तो करीब 5-6 चार्जेस हैं जो एक साथ आज उनके ऊपर लगाए गए हैं। No, the transfer is about to come. He did not say. He said he has given a request, and if he starts with the trial, then it becomes difficult for a judge to be changed. And also, the judge felt that since a new person would be coming, it should be done. However, his exemption petition had been moved today. Salman's exemption application was there, and for framing of charges, it is a necessity that the accused has to be there. So accordingly, these two things were done. The charges were framed, and Salman was given exemption that now from next hearing he need not come, and he would only appear when the judge asks him.
Right, Megha joining us now to really help us understand today's proceedings better. Megha, initially we were told there was some news of the judge in question being transferred, but we do understand the framing of charges, of course, went on, and so will the trial as per schedule.
Well, yes, in fact, that was, one issue that we were trying to clarify all morning, because there was certainly a confusion. When the proceedings of the court today in the morning began, the first thing that happened was the judge telling all the concerned lawyers who were sitting in front of him, communicating to all of them that he is expecting his transfer to the NIA court here, and so it would be inappropriate for him to carry on with this particular case or carry on with this trial at this juncture, and that he would really not want to go ahead with the framing of charges or even with deciding on the applications that were filed in front of him today. So that happened, but then it was after that the judge was told that Salman Khan will not be available for the next month or two, and that he's shooting abroad, and that just because it is imperative that the accused be around when the charges are to be framed, and that if it doesn't happen today, then it will take, it'll get really delayed quite a lot. So that seems to be the reason why the judge changed his mind and decided that despite the fact that he's expecting his transfer, since he is dealing with the proceedings today, he would rather go ahead and take care of it. And so he not only decided on the applications that were pending before him in this particular matter, but also framed the charges. So that happened pretty quickly. It didn't take a lot of time in the morning. Before the first half of the court ended, the charges were framed against the actor. The actor was called to stand close to the box of the witness, and he was, Salman Khan all this while, unlike his body language that was last time, today he was pretty serious all this while when the charges were being read out to him, and the charges were finally framed. And of course, as we've been reporting all of morning, the highlight of today has been the section of 304 part 2, which is culpable homicide. There was a lot of speculation whether this charge would be slapped against the actor or not. All over again in the last 11 years, we are seeing for the second time this charge has been slapped against the actor, and the difference this time is that the trial under this section is now about to begin.
Megha, stay on with us. We've been getting reactions coming in. Let's listen in to how senior criminal lawyer Majid Memon has responded to these big developments this morning.
In this matter today, an important step has been taken, because according to the Criminal Procedure Code, this is a milestone in a criminal trial that the accused is explaining charges, and the charges are framed. The accused is asked to give his plea, whether he pleads guilty or not. And in today we have seen that Salman was asked that you have been charged with such and such offence, do you plead guilty thereto? And he has given an answer in negative, that he pleads not guilty. And now the case is all set for issuance of summonses to the witnesses for the purpose of recording their deposition, and then I think the evidence will be recorded.